Hello friends, good evening everyone. Friends, today we came to my mother home, my native place, for they are celebrating the Sitala Bhavani festival. Friends, that is why we came to here for celebrate the festival. Actually, this the first festival sans of my father. Friends, really I very sad about the my father. you know every year we were celebrated the this Sitala Bhavani festival with my father, but this year first festival. That is why first of all I am extending my regret and I am sending my condolence to my father and friends. One side I happy for celebrating this festival with my family members. Friends, this is the tribal area. The Lambadas, the tribals, they are celebrate every year this Sitala festival. First every year season first, when they will be plant the any plantation, the paddy or any seeds before they celebrate this festival for blessing of the goddess. The Sitala Bhavani means she was a goddess. The their her blessing for this tribal people, my Tanda people, they every year celebrate. And they offering some like goat or sheep and tamarind and some flowers, fruits and some seeds. They offering to the goddess Sitala Bhavani. We are also ready for going to there for celebrate. Friends, I will show the there how my tribal people, my Tanda people, they celebrating the Sitala Bhavani festival. I will telecast the another video. Friends, right now my babies they are readying, and I also ready for going to there and celebrate. My tribal people, my Tanda people, they celebrate with the dance and with the songs, and different activities they will be do there. I will show friends and I will telecast the another video. Thank you everyone. Friends, this is the my tribal festival Sitala Bhavani. Thank you. JB.